Hi fam, I'm going to make another quick video about discussing the financials surrounding asset theft, fraudulent asset seizure through court proceedings. And I want to talk about it in the context of this happens a lot to older adults where they are declared incompetent or they're declared indigent, and then the courts use that label to essentially steal their assets and leave them destitute. And obviously, this is a significant problem. It is a huge form of fraud and is actually being facilitated and often started through the unethical actions of court judiciary persons. So, I want to talk a little bit about this because this is something that I I have managed to fight back against, but it was something that I had to contend with quite a bit. And I just think it's crazy to me that you can have judges adjudicating over matters where their own rulings in the same case profile for an individual don't even align. There's inherent cognitive dissonance within the judge when they're making contrary determinations regarding an individual. And I want to address that because it is a criminal matter. And even though it impacts the ruling, it shows clear bias. So I want to address that. I think that it is reprehensible, it is heinous, it is criminal to do that to a person in order to enrich yourself financially. And I think just a lot of judges are subject to greed and are willing to take bribes and are willing to do all sorts of things to steal from others and enrich themselves. And that is a shame because they are supposed to be public advocates. They are supposed to do what is best for the community. They are not supposed to leave the individuals in a situation in a much worse situation. But it seems to be that a lot of them are so extremely arrogant and have God complexes and are so narcissistic that they actually feel entitled to financially cripple other people. So I wanted to talk about this. I'm going to post a couple of photos following this video that are addressing the specifics, which are just stuff I Googled that you can read about in terms of how this often plays out instead